Oi FM 94.1, no ar de Ribeirão.
Oi FM 94,1. Sintonize.
It's my birthday, you missed it. Don't worry about the cake and the present. Gonna buy it, eat it, feeling selfish. Think it's so okay. Talk about office, about gossip and your colleagues. Gonna get sick of days, yeah, off days. I'm not Mr. Muscle, but I can be awesome and I can hustle you. Not Mr. Muscle, but I can be awesome and I can hustle you. Wake up, ding a dong. Ding it on, wake up. I'm quite bitter, you sucker, you must beware of this. I'm kinda lazy, you're in a hurry, you scared me. Well, aware of this, you talk about business, it's an illness, well, I mean it. You must be my little baby, like me, I'm not Mr. Muscle, but I can be awesome and I can hustle you. Not Mr. Muscle, but I can be awesome and I can hustle you. Wake up, ding a dong, hey, ding a dong, wake up, let's go. Round the chills look like a kid and then like a kid. Papa said, ding a ding a ding dong, ding a ding ding dong.
Oi FM 94.1, no ar de Ribeirão Preto.
Oi FM.
Livre.
Wake up everyone. How can you sleep at times like this unless the dreamer is the real you? Listen to your voice, the one that tells you to taste past the tip of your tongue. Leap in the net will appear. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I know it. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. I keep my life on a heavy rotation, requesting that it's lifting you up and away, and over to a table at the Gratitude Cafe. And I am finally there, and all the angels that were singing la 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 la. Well, I don't wanna break before the tour is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'm alone and I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine.
Por exemplo, sintoniza no rádio, você vai ouvir, sei lá, de repente depois de tocar Elvis, vai tocar nossa, foi variado. Eu acho que é uma rádio que você tá fazendo sucesso no lugar. A gente tem percebido que as bandas nacionais que são apoiadas por uma vez, é bem simples, você vai na barata de cachorro,
Timing's everything, and this time there's plenty.
Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile.
Acho que eu ganhei a rifinha de voz.
Only for me. Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile, and you use it only for me. So use it and prove it. Remove this worldly sadness. I'm losing and losing, but you can save me from madness. Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile, and you use it only for me. Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile, and you use it only for me. So save me, I'm waiting, I'm needing, hear me bleeding, and soothe me, improve me, I'm grieving, I'm barely.
Oi FM 94.1.
You ready for your miracle? You ready for your miracle?
Yes, I'm looking for my miracle.
Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
Aí já tem lançado aí.
My mouth can pierce and love, miracles, dance along. Can make some friends, form a band or sing along. Just do it 'cause you want it, not because you saw it. Just do it 'cause you want it, not because you saw it, not because you saw it. Yeah.
Ready for your miracle?
Just change it 'cause you want it. Just change it 'cause you like it. Change it 'cause you feel it, not because you saw it. You can change your hair, change your house, change your life. You can change your sex, change your friends, change your wife. You can change your shoes, change your pants, change your...
Oi FM, simples assim.